Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, February 21st, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd shoot a video and talk to you about how you can build a six-figure income in 2025. It's not too late, and it's not as hard as what it sounds, okay? When you take $100,000 and break that up over 365 days, you're looking at $274 is what you're going to have to, it's just a little bit under $274 is what you have to earn each and every day for 365 days to earn $100,000, okay? And it might sound like a far stretch and like it's almost impossible to do, but when you're working with higher ticket offers, it's not very hard to do if you just stay committed, show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, okay? That is the main thing. Consistency is what wins the game. And all the offers that I share with other people, you can make anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 per referral. All right, so if you just made 2.5 referrals each month at $3,500, you could get to $100,000 income, okay? And it takes the same amount of effort to share a $10, a program or an opportunity where you earn $10 per referral. It takes the same amount of effort to share that opportunity as it does to share something where you can make up to $3,500 per opportunity or per referral, okay? So when you break it all down the way that I do things, it becomes even easier because I leverage both online marketing and offline marketing, okay? So I have a system that I don't want to say perfected because it's not perfect, but it's helped me to triple my income, okay? And what I do is I focus online on Facebook and YouTube, okay? I don't get into TikTok and Instagram and all the other social media platforms. And I'm not saying that they're bad or you shouldn't use them. I'm just telling you what works for me. All right? I think, especially when you're just starting out, just focus on one or two platforms and just get those to where you build up a nice audience, okay? So by focusing on just YouTube and Facebook, I've been able to grow a nice audience on both of those platforms, okay? And it's nothing like, I don't have an email list of 100,000 people, but I have a nice size audience now to where when I share something, I get results just by sharing stuff. I get results each and every time I make a video. I get people who are opting into my capture pages for my business opportunities, okay? Then on the flip side of that, for offline marketing, I send out letters in the mail, okay? So one of my direct mail programs, which is a very good program, it allows you to earn up to $3,500 per referral. The product that you get when you join is leads, okay? Both my direct mail opportunities, the product that you get are leads. And these are opportunity-seeking leads or buyer leads. So these are people who have requested more information on how to make money from home. They either want to supplement or replace their income. And buyer leads, and these are people who have made purchases, whether it be a product or a service, in the make money online niche, okay? So these are proven buyers. So when you're mailing out letters to these two types of leads, you're gonna get conversions, okay? In fact, I had somebody write on the video I did yesterday, they asked me what the conversion rate was with just sending out postcards compared to when I mail out letters. And the truth is, I get at most right around a 3% conversion rate with postcards, and I get upwards of 10% conversion when I mail out these letters because I include a personalized letter from me that shows a picture of myself, it shows my name, it has all my contact information, it gives people a brief history about who I am, so basically that I've been working in the work from home space for the last 18 years, and I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and it lets people know that I'm a real person and that they can reach out to me if they have any questions or need any assistance. And then in that letter, I include all of my business opportunities. All right. So currently I have 4 business opportunities that I'm sharing with other people. And I also include a business card right here, joinruss.com. And this business card takes people over to my Linktree page that has all of my opportunities on it. All right. So when people go here, they're going to see all the opportunities that I offer, all the services I offer. They're going to be able to connect with me on Facebook. They're going to be able to watch my YouTube videos. They're going to be able to contact me if they have any questions. And they're going to be able to see that I'm a real person practicing what I'm preaching every day. Okay, so each of my opportunities on my Linktree page, they have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for me. So my sole job is to get people over to my joinruss.com page. And I do that through YouTube videos, through my Facebook profile, and I do it through offline marketing, mailing out letters that include all of my opportunities, okay? And when you're working with several different, I'm working with several income streams because I built up, I always say to build up a opportunity to where you're making $500 to $1,000 a month before you add on new income streams. And I've been doing this a long time, so I have far more than 4 income streams, but it's because I'm able to build those up to where I'm getting a nice residual check from opportunities that I joined 2 years ago. And you'll be able to do the same thing if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, okay? If you don't do that, I can't guarantee you're going to make anything, because most people, they never take action. But my point is when you have several income streams working for you all day long, 24/7, you have systems in place doing all the selling and telling for you, you will start making commissions around the clock, even while you're sleeping, okay? So when you put that, take those factors into account, and you look at breaking down $100,000 over the course of 365 days and only needing to earn $274 a day to earn 6 figures, it's not out of reach for anybody, okay? It's not out of reach for anybody. It's very, very doable, again, if you're willing to put in the work, all right? It's all dependent on your work ethic, and I can't guarantee anything for you because I don't know your work ethic. But I have people who join me in all of my opportunities. They follow exactly what I teach, and they get results. All right. And maybe it might take you a year or 2 or 3 years to build up to where you're earning $274 a day. But it's very possible. It's very possible. So there's no better time than now to start your online business journey. All right. Like they always say, 20 years ago was the best time to plant a tree. The next best time to plant a tree is right now, right? So if you haven't started a side hustle or an online business opportunity in 2025, there's no better time than now to get started, all right? Because in a year, 2 years, 3 years down the road, you have the potential to have a 6-figure a year business, all right? And the action takers can do it much quicker than that. So go to joinruss.com. Check out my opportunities, all right? Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. When you join me in any of my programs, you're going to get a resource page with over 80 different places where you can share your opportunity online. 99% of those are free. You're going to get my letter template that I use each and every week when I do my mailings, and you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out anytime you have questions or need assistance with anything, all right? It's my true passion to help people create mailbox money. And you don't have to be a special marketing guru. You don't have to have huge email lists. You don't have to pay for paid advertising. You don't have to do any of that, okay? I will show you exactly what I do each and every day to grow my mailbox money empire, all right? So go to joinruss.com, check everything out, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. It's my honor to serve you. It's my true passion, and I look forward to hearing from you and earning and working with you. Working and earning with you, right? So have a great day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.